Hey everyone, is Netflix not working on your smart TV? Yeah, that can be really frustrating when you're ready to watch. The good news is most Netflix issues are quick to fix. Let's go step by step and get you streaming again. First, make sure your TV is actually connected to the internet. Open your TV's network settings and confirm Wi Fi or Ethernet shows connected. If not, reconnect to your network. Next, restart your smart TV. Yeah, this clears temporary app glitches. Turn the TV off, unplug it for about 30 seconds, then plug it back in and power it on. If Netflix still won't load, restart your router. Uh, this refreshes your internet connection. Unplug the router, wait about 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Now check if the Netflix app needs an update. You know, outdated app versions often cause playback errors. Go to your TV's App Store and install any available update for Netflix. If the problem continues, try clearing the app cache or reinstalling Netflix. I mean, this fixes corrupted app data. Remove the app, restart the TV, then install Netflix again. Here's an easy one to miss. Uh, Make sure your TV's date and time are correct. Wrong time settings can prevent Netflix from connecting. Set the time to automatic if possible. Finally, check for a system software update on your smart TV. Yeah, firmware updates often fix streaming app bugs. Install any available updates and restart your TV, and that's it. Yeah, one of these fixes usually gets Netflix working again on your smart TV. Try them in order, and you should be back to streaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the